It's Tuesday, November 11th, and here's everything you may have missed in business and finance yesterday. U.S. equities came roaring back to life yesterday. All three major indices closed sharply higher. The S&P 500 was up over 1.5%, the Dow up 81 basis points, and the Nasdaq up 2.27%, having its best day since May. Big tech really led the way, and other winners included semiconductors, cybersecurity, department stores, casinos, and even chicken producers like Tyson Foods. Not everyone had a good day, though. Healthcare stocks like managed care and hospitals fell on concerns about government support for insurance premiums. Airlines, trucking, and some food and retail names also lagged. After 41 days, we finally saw serious movement to end the record-long U.S. government shutdown, and this was one of the main drivers of yesterday's rally. The Senate advanced a procedural measure over the weekend, and investors piled back into the market yesterday on optimism that a deal is near and the government will reopen this week. This optimism fueled a massive rebound in the stocks that got hit hardest last week, especially big tech and AI. NVIDIA shares leaped nearly 5.8% on reports of a good meeting between NVIDIA and TSMC executives. Citi also raised its price target, citing strong demand. One of the biggest winners in the S&P 500 was Palantir, which skyrocketed nearly 9%. This makes sense. As a huge government contractor, Palantir benefits directly from the government getting back to business. Gold jumped nearly 3%, back above $4,100 an ounce. Oil ticked up slightly, but is still in a multi-week slump. Bitcoin bounced back 2%, trading around 106,000, and lifting Coinbase, which rose over 4% on the Bitcoin rally and reports it's launching a new platform for early-stage token investing. There's a lot of buzz around ending the government shutdown, but it is still early days. Lots of political hurdles remain. Last night, the Senate voted 60-40 to approve the funding measure that would reopen most federal agencies through January. This measure still needs approval from the House of Representatives before President Trump can sign it and federal operations can fully resume. A vote in the House is expected as early as Wednesday. No major economic data yesterday, but today brings a small business optimism report. 10-year Treasury yields held steady yesterday around 4.11%. It's Veterans Day today, though, so the stock market is open, but the bond market is closed.